It's another cleaning video today because my house is a mess and I need to get this straightened out. I am serving some sporty YouTuber vibes today. Check out this Trainer Tips merch. Oh yeah, Trainer Tips. Do you like Pokemon Go? Yes. Anyway, I don't know what happened. Instacart is on their way with the groceries in like 10 minutes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take care of the fridge, and then I'm gonna take care of all the rest of this nonsense.
Anytime before I'm getting groceries, I like to clean out the fridge a little bit. I like to remove any old food that we hadn't eaten or that was rotten, or rearrange things that were somehow out of place, because keeping that fridge nice and organized is a task. For those of you keeping track at home, keeping score at home, we ate all of the pickled onions from the storm vlog. So, yay! They were so delicious. We ate them on chili, on tacos, everywhere. They were so good, especially on burgers. Okay, groceries are here. Clover's excited. Let's put the food away. It's 2 pounds of flank steak. I can't believe how expensive this was, but it was requested special by my husband, so we're gonna make tacos. Yay! The best part about getting groceries delivered to your home is that you don't have to carry them upstairs. Am I right? Yeah, I know. We have a lot of lemons. We buy a lot of lemons. We go through a lot of lemons. Now, those of you guys who follow me on Instagram saw this amazing photo of slow cook or Carne Asada tacos on my Instagram, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you make them. You're going to want to get the juice of 1 lime, 1 lemon, and finally 1 orange. And yes, we have all 3 individual squeezers. Why? Because we're extra and we need to have all 3. You really don't need to, but we just do. Anyway, you need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, also to add to the juices. You need 2 tablespoons of plain white vinegar. And it calls for garlic powder, but I put in just chopped garlic. I'm cool like that. Anyway, you're going to need some spices too. This is a mixture of spices. I will put a link down below to the recipe. This is not my original recipe. This is from a website called showmetheyummy.com, which is awesome. Anyway, you put some olive oil in there with the spice mix and you mix it all up and it looks like that. That's your rub for your beautiful flank steak. This is 2 pounds of very expensive, I must say, flank steak, but it's going to be very yummy after 8 hours of cooking. Anyway, you spread it all over the yummy steak. Vegetarians, look away. Anyway, spread it amongst all sides of the flank steak. Put it even on the little tiny sides. What am I talking about? Little tiny sides, the sides. Just spread it all in there. Give it some good love. Give it a nice massage, and then you're going to add half the sauce to the slow cooker, and then put the meat in, and then add the other half of the sauce on top of the meat. Cook on high for 5 hours or low for 8 hours.
Okay, I cannot wait to eat tacos tonight after rehearsal. Yay! Now back to cleaning. Ooh.
I honestly don't know how the house gets so out of control after maybe just a day and a half of just living our lives. I don't know why there's stuff out and all over the place. I mean, frankly, it's not that bad. Okay, we don't have any kids. We only have 1 pet. It's just the 2 of us. But for some reason, because the space is so small, if there's stuff everywhere, the anxiety is real. Anyway, it was also time to take out the trash and the recycling. We love that. And look what Clover does when I leave the house. I've always wondered. He looks very concerned. Anyway, I'm back, and I definitely always wash the trash can after I take out the trash. It's just something that you should start doing. Start doing it. Go ahead, disinfect, wash that trash can because it's gross. Gotta make the bed also. Bed making, very important part of your day. Makes yourself feel better. And sadly, I must admit, I had washed my clothes 2 days ago, had not put my clothes away. They were just in a pile, sitting on the floor, looking very sad. Some of them were very wrinkled, but that was okay. I just went ahead and was finally motivated to put them away. I fold my clothes on the floor in the closet. Sue me, it's not that bad. It's very clean in there. And put my socks away and everything else. You know what was really funny is I had a lot more pajamas than anything that was dirty.
Okay, I feel so much better now that the apartment is kind of under control, except I didn't put some fabric refresher on the couch, but I can do that later. I am very excited about the fact that we are going to have slow-cooked carne asada tacos in 7 hours and 51 minutes. The only thing I have left to do is clean the bathroom, vacuum, and put Clover's stuff away that I got from Petco. Here's a quick Petco haul before I eat lunch. I got him a moo tube. This is a dehydrated beef trachea. It's gross, but dogs love it. Some bully sticks. A seatbelt adapter for my husband's car so that he can take Clover places too. He's got a little bucket seat for my car, but I got him a little seatbelt adapter for his car. 2 brand new balls for the park. 3 brand new balls with no squeakers in them. I got him these at Christmas and he already just destroyed them, so I got him 3 new ones. He loves these. Eye wipes because cavalier problems, and also some tear stain removers because cavalier problems. So now that I've gotten a lot of this work done, I'm going to take a break for lunch and start the Roomba during that time because it's really loud. I will get on the spring detail cleaning after that. I'll see you later.
Being that I clean pretty regularly around the house, I very seldomly clean up high in very high places. There's something about it, but at least a few times a year, and definitely in spring, I go for it in very high places and look at all the disgusting dust that was hiding up there. I actually went through 2 of those Swiffer heads because it was just so darn dusty. So when you dust, make sure you go from the top down because dust is just like snow and it falls from the top down. When I think of spring cleaning, I clean places that just really don't get my attention regularly, and one of those places definitely is baseboards. The baseboards don't get enough love during the year. Maybe twice a year they get touched, if I'm really going to be honest with you guys. So I just went in with a microfiber cloth, especially for dusting, and I went in and went crazy. I did an especially thorough job where our shoes were all winter long, where we just kept throwing our shoes, because every time we'd throw our shoes down, we would kick up some more dust and it would just get all over the wall and the baseboard. And while I was at it, I just decided to grab another microfiber cloth, wet it with some water, and go ahead and clean the wall as well. Oh, and hey, when we purchased our condo, we even purchased this door. So why should I not clean this door even if it's on the outside? So I went into the hallway of our building and I just took that same microfiber cloth that was moist with some water and wiped down the door. There was some scuff marks, so I grabbed my trusty frenemy, because it's bad for the environment, magic eraser, and went crazy for the scuff marks. Nice and clean. And I came back in, there's Clover, and I noticed that the ledges on the doors were awfully dusty. So I took my trusty friend, the microfiber cloth, and went in again and dusted. And it also just seemed apropos that I go ahead and dust all of the windowsills as well. Why not?
All right, well, I finished part 1 of my spring cleaning projects. So I have dusted all of the little areas that were hiding. Well, they weren't hiding, they were out in plain sight, but they weren't dusted. And I am very excited to go on to phase 2 that involves dusting more places that are hiding. If you like videos like this, if you like cleaning videos, organizing videos, home stuff, dogs, singing, please subscribe. I post 3 times a week. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with someone who you think you will get a kick out of it as well. I hope this inspired you to do some spring cleaning of your own, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!